Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu alaykum anfusakum la yadurrukum man dhalla idha ihtadaytum إلى الله مرجعكم جميعا فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون. Translation: O you believer, take care of your own souls. The error of those who go astray cannot harm you if you follow the right guidance. Unto Allah you will return altogether. Then He will inform you of what you had been doing. This is an extremely important topic, and in this Muslims are commanded that they take care of themselves, and as long as they are doing the good deeds and save themselves from the sin, and they remain on the guidance, so if somebody is misguided, it will not harm them. This ayah was misinterpreted even in the time of Sahaba Karam, and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu gave a sermon on this ayah and said that I feel that you are taking wrong meaning from this ayah by taking the message from this ayah incorrectly, that you are only responsible for your own deeds and you are not responsible for doing amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar, meaning ordering other people to do good and prohibiting them from the evil. He said that I heard Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that when people see the evil and they don't stop other people from the evil, then it is near that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send punishment on all of them. In one hadith Qudsi, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam to make a specific town upside down. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam said, Oh Allah, in this town there is one of your slaves who has not done a sin equivalent to blink of an eye. Should I make this town upside down, including him? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that yes, make the town upside down first on him and then on the others, because whenever he saw my commandments broken, his color of face did not change. This hadith means that this person was only doing his worship, his acts of goodness, but he did not do the amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar, and the whole town including him was punished by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that continue doing amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar till you see that a very stingy man is followed and people start to follow their own desires, and everyone thinks that his opinion is the right opinion. At that time you should take care of your soul and leave the general people, because there is a time coming that whoever is established on the deen is equivalent as if he is holding the burning fire in his hands. At that time, if somebody is doing good deeds as you are doing now, he will get 50 times reward of what you are getting. Alhamdulillah, in our times it has become difficult to do amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar, but it is not as difficult as holding fires in our hands. So we must continue to do amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar and continue to invite people towards goodness and prohibit them from doing evil. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.